What if your home could look like a luxury indoor jungle without spending thousands on decor? The secret isn't expensive furniture or fancy renovations. It's fast-growing indoor plants. Some houseplants grow so quickly that in just a few months, they can completely transform a boring room into a green paradise. Imagine vines cascading from shelves, giant tropical leaves filling empty corners, and colorful foliage turning your space into something straight out of Pinterest. But here's the crazy part. Many of these plants are almost impossible to kill. Even beginners can grow them successfully with just a little light and occasional watering. In today's video, we're revealing 7 indoor plants that grow fast and look absolutely amazing. From dramatic monsteras to colorful trailing vines, these plants don't just survive indoors, they thrive. And make sure you stay until the end, because plant number 7 is one of the toughest and most stylish houseplants you can own. If you love indoor plants, easy home decor ideas, and turning your house into a relaxing green oasis, hit that like button, subscribe, and let's jump into the countdown. Number 1. Pothos, Devil's Ivy. Pothos is one of the fastest growing indoor plants you can own, and honestly, it's almost too easy to grow. This beautiful trailing plant is famous for its long vines and heart-shaped leaves that can quickly spread across shelves, desks, walls, and hanging baskets. In the right conditions, pothos can grow several feet in just one season, making it perfect if you want fast results without complicated care. One reason pothos is so popular is because it adapts to almost any indoor environment. Whether your room has bright indirect sunlight or lower lighting, pothos keeps growing. However, if you want bigger leaves and faster vines, placing it near a bright window works best. Another amazing thing about pothos is how easy it is to propagate. You can simply cut a vine, place it in water, and watch roots appear within days. Before long, one pothos plant can turn into many. Pothos also helps create that trendy indoor jungle look people love on social media. The trailing vines soften empty spaces and instantly make rooms feel cozy and alive. Plus, it's forgiving if you occasionally forget to water it. For beginners, busy people, or anyone wanting dramatic greenery fast, pothos is nearly unbeatable. Number 2. Spider plant. Spider plants are one of the happiest-looking houseplants you can grow indoors. Their long, striped leaves arch beautifully outward, creating a full and vibrant appearance that instantly brightens any room. But what really makes spider plants exciting is how quickly they multiply. Mature plants produce hanging baby plants called spiderettes that dangle like little green fireworks from the mother plant. Spider plants grow quickly when placed in bright, indirect light, and they reward even minimal care with non-stop new growth. They're perfect for hanging baskets because their leaves and babies spill downward in dramatic fashion. In just a few months, a small spider plant can become large, lush, and overflowing with baby shoots. Another reason people love spider plants is their reputation for being beginner-friendly. They tolerate occasional missed watering and adapt well to indoor conditions. Their roots also store moisture, helping them survive if life gets busy. Some plant owners even say spider plants practically grow themselves. Beyond their fast growth, spider plants add freshness and energy to indoor spaces. Their bright green leaves with creamy white stripes create a clean, modern look that works in bedrooms, offices, kitchens, and living rooms. If you want a fast-growing plant that's fun, decorative, and incredibly easy to maintain, the spider plant is a perfect choice. Number 3. Monstera Deliciosa. Monstera Deliciosa is the ultimate statement plant. With its massive split leaves and tropical appearance, it instantly transforms ordinary rooms into stylish indoor jungles. What surprises many beginners is how fast Monstera grows indoors when given the right care. A young plant can quickly develop huge, dramatic leaves that make your home feel luxurious and modern. Monsteras love bright indirect light and regular watering once the soil begins to dry slightly. Under good conditions, they constantly push out fresh leaves, and each new leaf often grows bigger and more impressive than the last. Watching a monstera unfurl a giant leaf is honestly one of the most satisfying experiences for plant lovers. This plant also climbs naturally, meaning it can grow vertically using moss poles or supports. Over time, Monstera becomes a stunning focal point that dominates empty corners beautifully. Interior designers love using monsteras because their tropical leaves create texture, movement, and a relaxing natural vibe indoors. Despite looking exotic and expensive, Monstera is surprisingly beginner-friendly. It adapts well to indoor environments and doesn't demand constant attention. With patience, proper lighting, and occasional feeding, this plant grows into an absolute masterpiece. If you want a fast-growing plant that creates a bold visual impact, Monstera Deliciosa is one of the best choices you can make. Number 4. Philodendron. Philodendrons are beloved by plant lovers because they combine rapid growth with elegant tropical beauty. Whether trailing from a shelf or climbing upward on a moss pole, philodendrons create lush greenery that makes homes feel warm and inviting. Their glossy leaves and easygoing nature make them one of the best fast-growing indoor plants for beginners and experienced plant owners alike. One of the best things about philodendrons is the huge variety available. Some have heart-shaped leaves, while others grow massive tropical foliage that looks straight out of a rainforest. No matter the type, most philodendrons grow quickly in medium to bright indirect light. They constantly produce new leaves during the growing season, making them feel alive and energetic. Philodendrons are also incredibly adaptable. They don't need perfect conditions to thrive and can handle occasional neglect better than many houseplants. As long as the soil drains well and the plant gets decent lighting, it usually grows steadily and beautifully. These plants are perfect for creating an indoor jungle aesthetic because they spread naturally and fill spaces with greenery fast. Their trailing vines soften shelves and walls, while climbing varieties create dramatic vertical displays. If you want a plant that's stylish, forgiving, and constantly growing, philodendrons deserve a spot in your home. Number 5. ZZ plant. The ZZ plant is proof that low-maintenance plants can still look incredibly stylish. With its thick, glossy leaves and upright stems, this plant adds a sleek, modern appearance to any indoor space. While it may not grow as wildly fast as trailing vines, the ZZ plant steadily produces new shoots that dramatically improve its appearance over time. One of the biggest reasons people love ZZ plants is their toughness. They tolerate low light, dry air, and forgotten watering better than almost any other houseplant. In fact, overwatering is often the only thing that seriously harms them. Their underground rhizomes store water efficiently, allowing them to survive indoor conditions that would stress many other plants. ZZ plants work especially well in offices, bedrooms, and apartments because they stay neat and elegant while requiring minimal effort. Their shiny leaves reflect light beautifully, giving rooms a fresh, polished look. As new stems emerge from the soil, the plant becomes fuller and more dramatic. Even though ZZ plants are slow compared to Pothos, they still produce satisfying, steady growth when placed in brighter, indirect light. Their combination of durability, beauty, and easy care makes them perfect for busy lifestyles. If you want a plant that always looks expensive without demanding constant attention, the ZZ plant is a fantastic choice. Number 6. Tradescantia, Wandering Dude. Tradescantia is one of the fastest and most colorful indoor plants you can grow. Its trailing vines explode with purple, silver, green, and striped foliage that instantly grabs attention. If you want a plant that grows rapidly while adding bold color to your indoor space, Tradescantia is absolutely perfect. One of the reasons Tradescantia grows so quickly is because it naturally spreads across surfaces in search of light. Indoors, this means vines can extend dramatically from shelves, windows, and hanging baskets within weeks. The vibrant leaves create stunning visual contrast that stands out beautifully against neutral walls and furniture. Tradescantia also propagates incredibly easily. Simply cut a vine and place it in water or soil, and roots begin forming fast. Many plant lovers start with one small pot and eventually fill entire rooms with propagated plants. It's one of the most rewarding plants for beginners because growth happens quickly and visibly. Bright indirect light helps keep the colors vivid and intense. Without enough light, the purple tones may fade. Regular trimming also encourages bushier growth and fuller vines. Overall, Tradescantia delivers speed, color, and dramatic beauty with very little effort. If you want a fast-growing indoor plant that feels energetic and eye-catching, this plant deserves a top spot in your collection. Number 7. Snake plant. Snake plants are famous for being nearly indestructible, but many people don't realize they can also grow surprisingly fast under the right conditions. Their tall, upright leaves create a bold architectural look that fits perfectly in modern homes, offices, and minimalist interiors. They're stylish, dramatic, and incredibly easy to care for. Snake plants thrive in bright indirect light, though they can survive in lower light areas too. When happy, they constantly produce new shoots called pups that emerge directly from the soil. Over time, one plant can multiply into a thick cluster of tall, elegant leaves that completely transforms a space. One reason snake plants are so popular is because they require very little maintenance. They prefer drying out between waterings and tolerate neglect better than most houseplants. Busy people love them because they stay beautiful even without constant attention. Beyond their toughness, snake plants are visually stunning. Their sword-like leaves create height and structure indoors, making them perfect for empty corners or modern decorative pots. Some varieties even feature striking yellow edges or silvery patterns that add extra style. If you want a plant that combines beauty, durability, and steady growth, the snake plant is hard to beat. It's one of the best indoor plants for beginners who want maximum impact with minimal effort. So, there you have it. 7 indoor plants that grow fast and look absolutely amazing. Whether you love trailing vines, giant tropical leaves, or bold modern plants, there's something on this list for every home and every skill level. The best part is that these plants don't just decorate your space, they make your home feel calmer, fresher, and more alive. If you're just getting started, try pothos or spider plants for quick, easy success. And if you want dramatic statement plants, monstera and snake plants are incredible choices. Before you know it, your home could look like a stunning indoor jungle. Now we want to hear from you! Which plant on this list is your favorite, and which one are you planning to grow next? Drop your answer in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more indoor plant tips, plant care guides, and beautiful home jungle inspiration. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.